Yo, what's up, everybody? January 14th, 2019 in Big Bear Lake, California. It's 2 p.m. on the dot, 33 degrees. We're getting some, the snow's coming down a little harder now, so, you know, this is what I do. And unfortunately, that phone holder is just not going to work out for me, so I'm going to have to find a different one. A third one. Kind of a joke, but it is what it is. I know I'm not doing that much better, but I assure you, I'm not looking at the phone while I'm driving. I mean, you know. Well, you should have two hands on the wheel. Jeez Louise. So this is the snow update. I want you guys to see what's going on. This one's not going to be too long. I'm just going to do a short little drive so you guys can get the update quickly. So we're going to go up top near Bear, but to the right side, which I don't go up there too often. So we're just going to go check it out, see what's going down. Since that's right up on the mountain, hopefully it'll be snowing pretty good right there, if we ever get there. I don't want to shut the video off because then I have to patch them together, and that takes forever. Now I'm complaining about that. Jeez, complain about everything lately, buddy. So what I was talking about was up here on the right. This guy's going to make a left here, and we're just going to keep going up to the top where the 2N10 off-road is. There. Oh yeah. See, getting into more snow now. Road closed ahead. It's fine. I understand this. I'm telling you, this is so pretty up here, guys. 2N10 closed during winter season. Well now. Man, just look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Just incredible. The views are so nice, you guys. Everything in here is just so nice. Just so nice. So I know 210's closed. I wish there was a way to get through. People left their sleds right there. Couldn't take them with you to the trash. It's really irritating. I bet these people are gonna do the same fucking thing. Just a bunch of moronish people. Yeah, this is really, really, really pretty, you guys. It's starting to really come down. It's really starting to come down up here. This is really pretty. Really pretty. Come on, you bastard. There we go. Gosh, that house is beautiful. There's just so much beauty in this area. Look how much snow there is in that place. Just so pretty, guys. My dad lived on Dogwood, but in Georgia, in Milledgeville, Georgia. So this video, I guess, is a little longer than I anticipated, but that's okay. It's really, really, really pretty. So we're good. There's Bear again. What up, Bear? Oh, look at that snow. That's a good snowman right there. That is a good snowman. Good job, whoever did that. That was a really good one. Anyway, these are the really nice condos and stuff right next to Bear. That's so pretty, guys. And I do miss working there. I know you guys hear that a million times from me, but it's the truth. It's actual. Everything is satisfactual. Alright. Just so pretty, guys. Just so pretty. Out. Alright. Well, watch out, guy. Barney. Alright, this thing can slow down a little bit. We don't need it to be going that fast. Damn windshield wiper. Oops. We'll pay attention to the road so we don't lose control right there. Even I get concerned about losing control. It happens to the best of us. If you're not concerned, please don't be driving on this stuff. We need to have a very healthy fear of this to keep yourself safe. Just like when you're charging down the mountain, going skiing or snowboarding. You know, yeah, it's fun to just absolutely just bomb it, but you can't be too reckless or you'll kill yourself. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the short update because it's not so short anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Signing out until we get more accumulation. Once we have a couple inches on the ground, then I'll go back out. And also, kind of bad news regarding that. I forgot to tell you guys. When I looked at the forecast again, it's it doesn't say 8 to 12 inches at night anymore. It says 1 to 3 inches, and during the day it says 1 to 3 inches also, instead of 5 to 8. So it's just a joke. Like, it's just a joke. We're probably gonna hardly get anything out of this. I'm really getting tired of it, honestly. I know they're not doing it on purpose, but it's really, really frustrating. You know, I'm gonna let this douchebag pass. He's probably not a douchebag. He's probably a nice enough guy. Just kidding. Probably not. Just kidding. Come on now. Alright, well, you guys get the point. We're getting snow. I'd say this is light snow now. So we're getting the light snow. Hopefully it picks up even more to moderate and heavy, like they so promised us. But that's the way it is all the time up here. They can't get shit right when they forecast up here. Anyway, peace out, you guys. Be well and be safe if you come up here. Have chains with you, please. And have blankets, food, water, and a full tank of gas. Peace out.